This is Jake with today's tech tip. We're going to be registering the Max4 scan tool. As we go into the scan tool, you'll start here at the Android page and you want to swipe up to go into the app menu. There are three apps that we need to focus on in here, starting with the settings at the very bottom left. We're going to want to connect to the internet first and foremost. You would do that here by selecting Network and Internet, and then making the connection as you would on your phone and or tablet. And then either access or create a Google account. From there, you would follow the prompts in Google to finish out that registration. It's highly recommended if the scan tool is going to be for shop use, multiple users, that they create a Gmail account for the scan tool itself, so there isn't access to personal or business emails that they should not have access to. Now we'll grab the Max4 icon, click and hold and drag it up to the top of the screen, which will allow us to place it out on the main Android page. And we can then go on into the Max app. We're going to hit register unit, and during this process you may have pop-ups wanting you to accept and allow and change settings, and any of those that have the Maximus icon in the top you want to allow, accept, and change those settings. Here we'll put in first and last name and the email that is going to be used to register the tool. You can use the same email on all of your Maximus scan tools. The password just has to be the same on all of them and the website. Next, you'll grab the little white piece of paper inside the box, and you'll pull off the perforated tear-offs, and inside is your verification code. The serial number is on the outside. You'll put those two numbers in, and then in selling a Max4, your MDBS will produce a receipt code that you will then enter into the tool. In looking at your receipt code, it is alphanumeric. The dashes in the receipt code must be entered into the scan tool. Ones will have a flag and a base, L's will be a straight line, zeros will be skinny, and O's will be round. We're working at Matco to make this easier to look at, and you'll see changes coming. Those are some of the tips. Now we can hit the activate button and the backup button at the bottom of the screen. And now the screen will say run diagnostics instead of register tool, and we can go on into the tool. We then want to go to the toolbox and start the download process. There will be some pre-selected, and we want to start with those. Once those have updated, you will then select all and download all of the information, and you'll be off to using the Max4 scan tool. If you packaged in Code Assist, an additional year of subscription, and or heavy duty, or needing to transfer heavy duty to the Max4, you would go back to that screen, hit your manage subscriptions, hit the redeem code or the transfer button, and then you would put in the appropriate code, hit submit, and it would add that feature to the Max4. As always, you have your dedicated Maximus support line at 877-853-3738. This is for you and your customers. Option 1 is all Maximus support, whether it's registration or hardware. And of course, you have the rest of the Maximus lineup here for any assistance. That's today's tech tip. Thanks for watching.